Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add subscriptions to your Shopify store step by step. Whether you are selling coffee, skincare, or digital products, adding a subscription option can boost your revenue and keep your customers coming back. First of all, let's talk about what you will need. Shopify doesn't have built-in subscription tools, so you will need a subscription app for the Shopify App Store. From the Shopify App Store, some of the most popular ones are Shopify subscriptions for free basic use, recharge subscriptions, Apple Store subscriptions, app stores. For this video, I will use App Store subscriptions because it's beginner friendly and has a generous free plan. Now click on add app section, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Search for apps still app still subscription. Here it is. Then click install. After installation, you will land on App Store's dashboard. From here, let's set up your first subscription. Click on subscription plans from here. Before complete your subscription account. Then click subscription plans. Then create subscription plan from here. You will need to fill out a few details like plan name, basic, or monthly copy works. Then products, select browse from products like t-shirts or watches, smartwatch. Delivery frequency, weekly. Monthly, every 2 months. You choose discount, optional. Add a 1% or X% off to make subscription attractive. Customer edits, allow customers to pause or skip shipments if you want. Once everything looks good, hit save and activate from here. That's it. Your product now has a subscription option. Let's see what is it looks like like on the storefront. Head to your product page and boom, click preview. You will see option looks like you will see option like one-time purchase or subscribe and save. Customer can choose their plan right before checkout. Test the flow in incognito mode to make sure it works for customers. Back in the App Store dashboard, go to subscription and activate active subscriber. Here you can manage your every customer, pause subscriptions, update billing information, or even cancel plans if needed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and hit subscribe and drop your questions below. I will reply to every comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.